You in it now?
I'm in it now.
Welcome to another Muddy River Mixology Monday, where we introduce a new Muddy River rum cocktail every week. Stick around after the video. What are we doing today?
Maybe do some throwback stuff to what we used to do in the distillery. Maybe another time lapse. We're really good at those.
Fantastic. We're here at Muddy River Distillery, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Justin, this is Robbie. Robbie, what are we making today?
Today we are making a Queen Charlotte Old Fashioned. And since we are super fancy, we're going to be making that Old Fashioned with 4-year Queen Charlotte.
Queen Charlotte!
Our 4-year Queen Charlotte is a single barrel release, launched when?
October last year, so 1 year. It's been out for 1 year, isn't it, right now?
And it is awesome. You can do this with our 1 year also, but for the sake of this video and how our Monday's been going, I think it's well deserved that we drink the 4-year. Also, you can find this for sale at the distillery and in North and South Carolina liquor stores. So, to make the Queen Charlotte Old Fashioned, you need the following items. You will need a bottle of Queen Charlotte 4-year or 1 year. You will need water. Should be pretty easy to find. Sugar cubes. You can also use regular sugar, but we got sugar cubes because it's just a little cooler. We've got a peeler here that we're going to be peeling an orange with, which means we will also need an orange.
Don't forget the bitters.
Yep. You'll need something to mix with. We're using a spoon. A muddler. A muddler is something that you use to pound or muddle.
Or muddle.
Or yeah, you can use a stick, chicken bone, something like that. Anything will work. And a lighter. So, to start off with, we are going to take our rocks glass and a sugar cube. Justin's going to do 2 in his today.
I'm super sweet.
I'm going to do 1 in mine. And then I'm just going to give him some water. And he's going to muddle those ingredients together. So, just enough pressure to kind of break the sugar into the, dissolve it or whatever. Not much going on there.
I get the hard jobs around here. All right. Enough muddling.
All right, so we've muddled our water and sugar together. Our next step is going to be 2 ounces of Queen Charlotte 4-year. So we're gonna pour 2 ounces.
I don't know if you guys can hear this in the background. We have a gym next door, and they are getting it in right now.
Getting it in. And so are
Not like we are, though.
We're doing 2-ounce curls here. A little bit extra because we're nice like that. And then we are going to do a splash of bitters. All right, next thing we're going to do is add our ice. Justin's got fancy ice cubes today.
Ice cubes. One for you, sir. Almost got away from me there, a little rascally rabbit.
And we're going to stir this. I really thought that would be more graceful. We're like banging around on this glass. I'm going to stir it really thoroughly. Get that ice and Queen Charlotte kind of talking to each other. Get that bitters mixed in. Mixing also the sugar and water in with the drink. That should be good for that one.
That's graceful.
It's a nice clinking sound. Okay, those are thoroughly connected. Next step is to put a nice orange peel in there.
Let it get the best of you.
Do I look like I'm struggling? Sorry, I should have done ladies first there, forgot.
Funny. I'm not the one peeling an orange like that.
You gotta be careful. These these fruit peeler things, or I don't know what you call it. They'll get you. So we've peeled our orange. We've stuck it into the glass. Next, we are gonna peel one more piece of orange.
What you gonna do with this piece?
This piece is how you get the oils to
Essence.
interact, the essence to interact. As much as drinking affects your taste buds, it also affects your olfactory senses. Oh, look at that, sparking up real good. So we're zesting this peel here, and the oils that come out are actually kind of sparking. You can really see it well with our excellent professional cinematography. Once we've got that zest really good and out there, we're gonna finish this drink off just by rubbing that orange peel around the glass. And this will really add a lot to your drink. Really does make a difference. I mean, not something you want to skip. Yeah, look at that. That's coming out real nice. Okay, and there you have it. We've got our Monday cocktail.
Mm.
Cheers.
Cheers to you, sir.
Yeah.
It might not be much to look at. It makes a hell of a cocktail. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Recipe for the cocktail is in the descriptions below. If you're interested in more Muddy River Distillery information, check out Muddy River, I can't speak either, muddyriverdistillery.com for more info and our tour schedule. Muddy River products are available at your local liquor store. If you don't see us, ask for us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Robbie, you want to take us out of here?
Cheers.
Hey, how you doing?